In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table in your document quickly and safely. Whether you're cleaning up a layout or removing a table you no longer need, there are two reliable ways to do it. I'll walk you through both, explain what to look for on the screen, and share a few tips to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong thing. First, let's use the menu option. Click anywhere inside the table. When your cursor is inside a table, you'll see a special set of tabs appear at the top called Table Tools. Select the Layout tab under Table Tools. Look for the Delete button in the ribbon, click it, and then choose Delete Table. This command removes the entire table in one go, including its structure and content. If you don't see Table Tools, make sure your cursor is actually in the table, not just near it. Also note, there's often another tab called Layout Elsewhere in the app. The one you want is specifically under Table Tools. And when the menu opens, be sure to choose Delete Table, not Delete Cells or Delete Rows, which only remove parts of the table. Now let's look at the Quick Select method. Move your mouse toward the top left corner of the table until you see a small four-headed arrow icon. This is the Move handle. Click that handle to select the entire table instantly. You'll know it's selected when the whole table is highlighted with selection borders. With the table selected, press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. This removes the whole table at once. If you just press Delete while your cursor is inside a single cell, you'll only clear the contents of that cell, not the table itself. So selecting the Move handle first ensures you remove the entire structure. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. If you delete a table by mistake, use Undo right away to bring it back. Both methods remove the complete table, even if it spans multiple rows, columns, or pages, and the surrounding text will flow together automatically to fill the gap. If you're working in a complex layout, zoom in slightly to make the Move handle easier to see and click. And when you're done, remember to save your document to keep the changes. That's all there is to it. Use the menu method when you want a clear on-screen confirmation, and use the Move handle when you want speed. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.